Alright, so today I'm up here at my grandparents' house, and there is not that many places to fish up here, but there are a couple. There's a place right down the road where they have some big pickerel and pike, so I'm gonna go try that. But I only brought my medium spinning rod, so that will definitely be interesting. But I'm gonna run up there, see if anything's up there, and then there's a little trout brook that I could try right here. And then in a couple days, I'm going to run down to a really good smallmouth river with my grandfather. So I'm gonna head over to that spot right now and see if we could catch a big pickerel or pike. And then I guess we'll go from there, but hopefully we can catch a couple fish. Alright, so I didn't bring my bait cast or anything because we're into hunting season now, and I wasn't planning on fishing much. It's looking like weeds, so crankbait might not have been the best option, but it's on a spinning rod, but we'll see how this works. There's a ton of weeds. You can switch up to like a Texas rig or something, but we'll see. I've never fished this before. It's looking like pickerel and pike, but we've got a good spot for smallmouth fishing that we can go to later anyway, so we'll see. Toss this crankbait around for a little while. If you don't catch anything, you can try a Texas rig, and then after that, we'll count on the smallmouth spot. I obviously didn't look down there before I put the crankbait on, and there's a ton of weeds down there, so I'm gonna switch up to a little Texas rig and just swim it, because I brought like nothing up here because I thought we were gonna be hunting, and I just brought a box of hard baits and then a bag of soft plastics for bass. So I'll put on a little creature bait or a craw, Texas rig it, and then just swim it and see if we can catch fish out of there. I've been fishing here for probably a half hour now, and I haven't had many more bites, but they like that moving. There are fish here. Those bites I thought I had on the crankbait were fish, so that's good. Hopefully we can hook one. That was a bird. Oh, there's one. There we go. Ah, there we go. I normally don't like to catch pickerel because I usually tear up my baits, but this was actually what we were going for today. He's not a huge one. Probably just a little, I don't know, maybe a 12, 13 incher. Little guy. These fish are fun to catch if you're not trying to bass fish and they don't destroy your stuff, but probably just gonna try to figure out how to get it. There he goes. He just shot out of the weeds. So that's a good sign. Hopefully we can get a much bigger one or a pike. But like this river runs all the way down there and up there, so I might be able to find some more spots where I can run in and be able to fish. So hopefully we can catch a couple more. Oh, that's a fish. Got him. Try to get him out of the weeds here. Oh, another pickerel, I think. I thought he was a lot bigger, but he just had me in the weeds. There he goes. There we go. That could be a better one. And that feels a little bit better. He's digging a little bit. That feels a little bit better. Not huge. Maybe not my best one. They're all kind of the same size, actually. Alright, that hook set wasn't on camera. Again, this feels like a much bigger fish. Nope. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's actually a smaller one. Got a bunch of little pickerel. No big pike, no big pickerel, but that was definitely good. So probably gonna be back down here tomorrow, and then probably head over to that good smallmouth spot sometime in the week and maybe hit a couple of trout spots. So hopefully I can come back down here tomorrow and catch a couple more. This Texas rig actually swims pretty well on the top of the water. But it's not like a frog. You can't twitch it or anything or it goes under the water. And they kind of lose interest. Well, that's a good cast. Wow. Alright. That makes me like 1 for 8. I've missed so many fish today. There he goes. Once I get a frog, I think I can work back down to where I lost all those fish and maybe catch a good amount of them, but... Oh man. Alright, there's another one. Alright, come here, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Got him. Must have got him pretty good because he's stuck in the weeds. There we go. There we go. I can actually just let him go right here. He should be able to be fine right here. See his fin right there. Well, I just got back over here. Oh, this guy inhaled it. He should be alright. I just gotta let him breathe for a second here. That little guy hit it so aggressively. He should be good. Well, I think I'm gonna head back. It's 6:35. I haven't seen or heard a fish blow up in probably about 15 minutes, but I saw some big fish today. Some that were definitely in the 20s, some that were close to that. But I'm gonna come back down here tomorrow. Tonight was a pretty good night. We caught 2. Had a whole bunch of blow-ups. It was fun, but I'm gonna come down here tomorrow and see if I can get past that cove, because I saw some big fish hit down there tonight and blow up and stuff. So I'm going to go back to the house tonight, come back maybe in the morning, maybe like 4 o'clock. Those are probably the 2 best times. And hopefully we can catch some tomorrow.